Alright, I'm about to do the exhaust mod on my 650H1. It's a stock muffler here. It's all nasty. I'm going to get it off here and clean it off. But I'm going to do a sound clip before and after. So right here is the before. I'm going to turn you around here. Alright, that's pretty much what the stock muffler sounds like. I'm going to take this thing off and get to it. Alright, I got my new modified muffler on. My boy Zach did some TIG welding on it. But we used about a 2-inch piece of pipe there coming out, kind of a turn down and out. And TIG welded it back on after we cut out the baffles and output pipe and fix that up. We're going to crank it up, see how she sounds now. Sound a little better now.